So this is the Orbit Hybrid from ESR. ESR makes cases for a lot of different devices, a lot of phones, tablets, all of that stuff, and AirPod cases as well. And I have it on the device right here. Now, it's a two-piece case that slides on and provides a lot of protection. You can see it also has a lanyard. Of course, you could detach that if you're not a lanyard person, but I love the fact that it has a slip adjustment here. So that way, if you were going for a run or something, you wanted to hold them in your hands for some reason, or you wanted to attach the lanyard to something so that maybe they didn't fall out of your pants and you have like a belt loop, you can loop them around. I mean, the lanyard is helpful in that sense. So it's great that that's there. Probably would end up taking it off though, because I just wouldn't find myself in a situation where I would need the lanyard. But the case itself is really nice, made from a nice smooth material, but it has a little bit of a texture to it. Lots of protection all the way around the AirPods. As you can see on the bottom, plenty of room for the USB-C charging, and I have tested them. Wireless charging does work through this case, and they charge up just like they didn't have a case on them at all. So it is a two-piece case, and it magnetically closes. So we still have that magnetic closing, but they have magnets in the case as well to help assist with that, being that there's more case on the device now, a little bit harder to keep it closed without those magnets. But this keeps it closed in my pocket, and I don't feel like I don't have anything to worry about there. Now, the top part has an adhesive strip on it, and so you would peel off this adhesive strip and attach it to the AirPods like so that wouldn't come off in your pocket, because otherwise, with a little bit of pressure, that could come off pretty easily. The AirPods also slip right out of the bottom of the case really easily. Also, as you can see, it just fits right in there and protects your AirPods. You just slide it right in like so, and boom. Of course, with the adhesive strip pulled off, and you're good to go. Your AirPods are now protected.